So today I'm gonna try and see which method is better and which is probably cheaper. So this is just a little preview. I've already tested out this Extreme Clean Duster to see if it does work. You know, looking up online, seeing videos in YouTube how to remove this old insulation, sound deadening insulation here. The way I did it, from what I got a video, just turn this upside down. It's gonna give you that cold spray, and it'll literally just freeze this thing up, and then it'll makes it easier to kind of lift. And I had about maybe a quarter or less than that, and I just wanted to try it out since I had that much left over, and this is what I got from it. I mean, I could probably gotten a lot more, I believe, but I just wanted to test it out. So the other day I went and ordered this super cold by MG Chemicals, and again I saw this another video on YouTube. So let's see if this is much better and much quicker or whatever, I don't know. So I think it should be the same way. So the only thing I'm using to scrape it is this regular scraper for door panels. It's what I had at the moment, but I'm gonna use the same method so to see if this thing is a lot faster and much better. So let's spray it, try it out, and make sure you be safe while doing this. Maybe if I tear the tab, maybe if I just read the direction. All right, I'm ready to go. Let's see. Well, it's the same method. I mean, it works the same. Yeah. I mean, isn't that bad at all. Alright, fresh can, freshly fresh. $16 gonna go down the drain. Cause, yeah, let's do this. Got my crowbar. Got my little small one, door panel puller, whatever this is called. And to start this. This weighs 16 bucks right here. Oh yeah, pull, tear the tab. Safety first.
Here's what's gonna happen. Ooh, that's a bad word. Let's see if it gets better when you spray a little longer. We'll spray it more.
You gotta go underneath it to get that, to have it split from the metal. Because if I'm scraping it, and it's just getting into the whatever tar this thing is, it's just scraping in the middle, just the tar. But if I go underneath the tar where it's the metal, it's actually popping it out. See that? See? It's much better if you get a sharper one. Seems like it's a much better route. See? Not much effort compared. I'm a right-handed, and I'm not doing it so. I'm not even going that hard. So yeah, see. So I was doing it wrong the whole time. Make sure you get underneath. Make sure you get underneath this, from between metal and it'll just lifts it up nicely. So this is a better method than this. You get more leverage or whatever, push to it, but much easier. God damn, I just ripped my pants. Ah, I ripped my pajamas. I ripped my pajamas, guys. Ripped it good. Look at that shit. Got ripped. Alright. This process is getting expensive. 16 bucks in the can. And a ripped pajamas. Man. Ripped pajamas, man. This is what happens when you want to do everything yourself. You rip your pajama. You rip it good. Alright, well, I think that's it for me. Was this testing success? Yes and no. It's a $16 failure. And back into the thinking of better what to do, because I'm sweating and the summer in Texas is coming up, and I'm afraid, because if I'm sweating, it's 70 degrees right now, and which is not that hot, I'm screwed, because that can was about 9 minutes or 10 minutes of work, and I'm sweating. So was this can worth it? Yes, it does work, but to me, the method of using spraying it, not really. Definitely, I will probably go ahead and do the dry ice method from the video that I've seen. The reason I went with this, because I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, I just saw a video on YouTube, and I was like, you know what, that's different. Let me try that out. And that's the problem with me. I like to try different things, and wasted $16 per can because I have 2 of these. But 2 cans and a quarter of the dust spray. Just flipped it around and sprayed it to get that cold air, and that's what I got right there. That much. Took maybe under 30 minutes to do all that. So to me, and I lost a pajama. A pajama has a rip now. And 2, I was tired, I was sweating, and right now it's raining outside, about 70 something degrees, and I'm not looking forward to the hot summer in Texas. You know, coming from California, that's the weather I get. And I'm not used to working inside a garage that's about 100 or higher. So me scraping all that stuff on a hot a hot day, dry ice method should be much better because it should be cooler, right? So yeah, this is not gonna happen. we're going dry method, and I will go definitely do a full video on that one, which I'm gonna have all my sound deadening ready to go. I have all the ice ready, and I'll do a full video.